ufika utshayela hore ke le piano la ka la ugcina le ke ma mfano okay mfano tshwantse re montsha mo wa machila qabanga ukuthi thina siphuma. Where's this boy? I'm looking for this boy. Ya ubuye thatha vie son. Ke tla o thola. Sanibonani bafethu ninjani, hello, dumelang abushenge ngithi kini welcome to the only radio station ephakamile ephakamayo eyenza ngamabomi iyenza kube right. Ngithi kini welcome nginidlalela umculo omunandi. Can everyone just write not yet, because the EP is almost ready and the dropping date is almost ready too. So Kirikowena, can I see not yet right now? Danko. Enjoy the music. Kalele mabonde ne mabonne matomeleng zeng tumeleng ding India liti din yo yawana man sheda wasas yazulenda wesipila kusisula nimo ngakho ikusengo muzungeno uhambe vele nebabo ekhali milano zalakho awulendo ibica badala bafundisi bamanga badala ngabanga nohulumeni udlala ngabantu ingane ilala ngadlile kanti kuze benini I'm not to go on the key. This is too much. Yo. Angay. Bafethu, mamelani le part le. Let me do this fast. Fast like a lie. Let me do this fast like a lie. I get to go on the key. To go on the key. I get to go on the key. I get me find a Nayoge. Ngithi kuwe, welcome to the best show. My name is PC. And nginilethela kuphela umculo omunandi right now more than ever. Ngithi kuwe, listen to this verse. Mwah. Danko is thank you. Asambe. YS! Please. Ngithi kuwe angikakaqedi, something gotta happen, something gotta give. This is PC, the only PC you know. Ngithi can I see not yet inyalo, not yet, not yet. Ngifuna ubona not yet. Nginicingela something. Pala not yet, not yet. Ibu pala not yet. Fast. Fast like a light. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. So, yo. Not yet, fast. Not yet, not yet. Not yet, fast, not yet. Not yet, ni ready. You guys are ready, Mosne? Not yet! Tingbani, not yet, no! Yo! Not yet, Buffett, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Listen! Not yet, Pala, not yet, Pen. Please, because I'm about getting a key. I've been telling them I got the key. Yo. Listen. Yo. Pala, not yet. I've been telling them I got the key. Go. Go! Yo! 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 Bala not yet. Please. Man, yes, Pakaman. Yo, kwenzakalani. Yo. SS. Yo, Kosinathi yabuya via official. Yo. Night's bed now. Say pinda via. No ways. Actually, before say pinned. As it senza kanjani le ndaba le. Before say pinned. Let me see a South African flag. South African flag. South African flag. South African flag. Before we go further, this one goes like this. Mina ngangena ngengoma wani bangibisa. Afrika yonke bangigijimisa. Thengisa kakhulu ke overseas. Platinum Jehova wangeni ngaguqa kakhulu kulo mhlaba bengangizwa ngafumbethele empilo ensandla sami ngina 6 sasho baba kakhulu kudlula amachilisi nana bunza kakhulu ngishoda ngepilisi manje nginesilahla bengilahla ngeke nesilingi ngathi ngiyashuta kwaphuma ifilimi style sedizet okwekhilini ngathi ngumhlaba ndiza nginaliti kwavele kwashelela impilo kushelele nolimi dume kakhulu ngathi usikiliti uma mesasebenza emakhishini ilapho kaplena khona imishini ngithi 0.1 isengigadele ngizwile lalele ngilimele ngihwayekile imele nini abanye babazivusa babalekele emeli behleli kumabhonithi ngazame kusivimba kodwa mina ngistrong talent lami longisiza hlala phansi khona ngasidiri ekhaya kithi khona babhekile uNkulunkulu naye ubhekile ngiphume South Africa kuMzansi msansi beba ngaboni ijo sinde ngenkosi mambochi ay mamela dayeng yo yar utoyezala Is it possible for me to take this December? Let me ask you guys before we go any further. Is it possible? Is it possible, guys? Is it possible? Is it possible for me to take this December? Is it possible? Is it possible? Is it? Okay. Is it possible? Then let's go. Let's take this fucking live right now. 2,000 people. Let's take this live, 2,000 people, and gag. I refuse, and gag. You guys are saying I'm gonna take this December. You guys are saying I'm gonna take this. Let me see this live. Go 2,000 people. If you say it's possible, let me see 1,000 people right now joining in my live. Let's go. If you say I'm gonna take this December, let's make it crazy. Let's make it crazy again. Mina ngangena ngengoma wani bangibisa. Afrika yonke bangigijimisa. Thengisa kakhulu ke overseas. Platinum Jehova wanginika ngaguqa kakhulu kulo mhlaba bengangizwa ngamfumbethele empilo ensandla sami ngina 6 sasho baba kakhulu kudlula amachilisi nana duma kakhulu ngishoda ngepilisi manje nginesilahla bengilahla ngeke nosilingi ngathi ngiyashuta kwaphuma ifilimi style sedizet okwekhilini ngathi ngumhlaba ndiza nginaliti kwavele kwashelela impilo kushelele nolimi dume kakhulu kudlula usikiliti uma mesasebenza emakhishini fuck! Let's go! No ways! Yeah! Damn! Yo! Hey! Lale! Mina ngangena ngengoma wani bangibisa Afrika yonke bangigijimisa Thengisa kakhulu ke overseas Platinum Jehova wangeni ngaguqa kakhulu kulo mhlaba bengangizwa ngafumbethele empilo esandla sami ngina 6 sasho baba kakhulu kudlula amachilisi kana kula kakhulu ngishoda ngepilisi manje nginesahla bengilala ngeke nesilingi athi ngiyashuta kwaphuma ifilimi style sedizet okwekhilini athi ngumhlaba ndiza ngenalini vele kwashelela impilo kushelele nolimi dune kakhulu kudlula isikiliti let's go over abanye babasusa babalekele behleli kumabhophithi ngizama ukuzivimba kodwa mina mina ngistrong talent ami yongisiza dala phansi khona kasidi ayithi ngingababekile lalela lithi zisirobani sengikhathele ngizwi lalela nemele maya dilimele abanye babasusa bakalekelele behleli kumapopitho samokusithimba lalela ngistrong talent ami yongisiza dala phansi khona kasidi ayithi ngingababekile lalela uzo South Africa kumzanguza Beba ngabona Sindengenkosi Malanga wonke mina Tala ngithandazela ukuthi Tala iphume igama lami Ngithandele kwenkosi Ithi mina kumele Sengiyakuvula imbono Sindengenkosi Malanga wonke mina Tala ngithandazela ukuthi Tala iphume igama lami Ngithandele kwenkosi Ithi mina kumele Sengiyakuvula imbono South Africa kumzanguza Beba ngabona Sindengenkosi umabotho Sindengenkosi umabotho Jay, this is very personal. Very personal. Sindengenkosi umabotho 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 Ufuna ukuthi umameleka Sindengenkosi umabotho Mina ngangena ngengome bangibiza Afrika yonke bangigijimisa Thengisa kakhulu kwavasisa Platinum Jehova wangini Ngaguqa kakhulu kulo muhlaba bengangisi Ngafumbethele impilo esandleni sami nginasisi Sash baba kakhulu kudlula amachilisi Nana gula kakhulu ngishoda ngepilisi Manje nginesahla bengilala ngekho nesilini Ngathi ngiyashutha kwaphuma ifilini Stayele sethi setho kokhilini Athi ngomhlaba ngiza ngenalini Ele kwasheleni impilo kushelelena lini Dume kakhulu mdlulu sikili Umama esasebenza emakhishini Ilapho ngaphena khona imishini ngithi sirobheni wani sengikhathele ngizwi Lalele nemele maya dilimele nini Abanye babasusa babalekele melini Behleli kumapopithinga samokusithimba Kodwa mina ngistrong talent ami ngongisiza Dala phansi khona kasindile Kaya kithi khona babhekile Kulunkithi bona babhekile Sirobheni wani sengikhathele ngizwi Lalele nemele maya dilimele nini Abanye babasusa babalekele melini Behleli kumapopithinga samokusithimba Kodwa mina ngistrong talent ami ngongisiza Dala phansi khona kasidi Kaya kithi bona babhekile Nkulunkulu naye ubhekile Phume South Africa kumzansi Beba ngabona Sindengenkosi umabotho Yo I never if bafetha ngindlalela ngenye ingoma right now I don't know Yo What are you guys saying? What's going on? It cloud lalela engwe right now. Bathi laba baqeda ukungena sawubona Bushengi Goeiemorgen unjani Welcome to the best radio station ever Kiriko wena PC not yet Kitsona tse di etsahalang a o fetso kena ke re right now ke shapa number ke betha ka number ke re ko wena asiye phandle ya understand endana ya mibare lami abathi muthu irela mathata Jayam yekeloyenzi plani mele wolenzi nyak understand endana yami bade lami abathi muthu irela mathata Jayam yekeloyenzi plani mele wolenzi nyak understand endana ibade lami Enkasi we really matata ebaka we tatela banyana ngifuna ebusuku ngabo 12 macala ungithembe Nkosi yami maveve yanginethe baba wami intoni yingikhethe nabantwana bavele bangithembe sebaningi ngcono ngiyekelele yiphi inkinga mangithi ngcono ningikhethe ngakutshela noshaka ngamtshela yimuti ingane lento cela ningithembe Dona yami khathalele kuthenjwa na uyazi last week bengenza amadona ayehla namadesh asiye yo ngifuna umamela lento le kahle yo I never no way I never ngize ngimncishe yo yo yes I see it. Oh, find a way. I understand. And I am everybody love. Abati mucho irela matata Giant Ele oenzi plani Yo, I see it I can understand And I am everybody love Abati mucho irela matata Giant Ele oenzi plani Ele oenzi plani I understand I tell everybody love Engasi wireli matata Witate labanyana Ngifuna ebusuku Kaputu Macala bungithemba Kosha Baveve yanginethe Baba wa Idoni yingikhethe Abana Bavele bangimethe Sebaningi Ngcono ngilekelele Yiphi inkinga mangithi ngcono ningithembe Ngakutshela Noshaya ngamtshela Yimuti ingane lento cela ningithembe Amadonna ayehla namadesh asiye Balela I never take it back I see it Pande Atini manje Awuyivalele ndini Awuyeke ukuyivalele ndini baba I see it Oh pande we Anje Awuyivalele ndini I understand And I am everybody love Abati mucho irela matata Giant Ele oenzi plani Ele oenzi plani I can understand And I am everybody love Abati mucho irela matata Giant Ele oenzi plani Ele oenzi plani I understand I tell everybody love Engasi wireli matata Witate labanyana Ngifuna ebusuku Kaputu Macala bungithemba Kosha Baveve yanginethe Baba wa Idoni yingikhethe Bavele bangimethe Sebaningi Ngcono ngilekelele Yiphi inkinga mangithi ngcono ningithembe Ngakutshela Noshaka ngamtshela Yimuti ingane lento cela ningithembe Dona yami khathalele kuthenjwa Na uyazi last week bengithenjwa Amadona ayehla namadesh I see it Balela Yo, I see it ngaphandle siyoxoxisana Manje Ayo uyivalele ndini Uyazi ngiyaka-understand Kodwa intwana yami Wena uyivalela withathe labanyama ngifuna ebusuku baqala kungithe osha bafethe yangine angeke nina ngiyanazi guys ni dangerous ngiyanazi. What are you guys saying? Ngithi kini asiye yo no ways. So far guys, which song do you guys like so far in this EP? What's your guys' favorite song? EP favorite song in Bafito. On this EP. He says all of them. This guy is gaslighting me. He says, my brother. Which one? First one. Which one? What's the name of it? You can't say the first one. What's the name of it? You are cooking all of them. No, it says I see. Sfiso, the last one. Says I see. You're saying the last one, as in this one that I just played now. I see. DJ Hugo at the lol dropper, man. I'm dropping, Kululeg, I'm dropping, guys. The songs went for mix and mastering, and then you submit at Thursday. They give me a date, and then we're good to go. Wow, best. We need this December. Yo, I see. Which one? Kate Renata. Mina ngangena ngengoma wani bangibiza. That's Kate Renata. It's called Kate Renata, the name of the song. Mina ngangena ngengoma wani bangibiza. Africa yonke bangigijimisa. Thengise kuluke overseas. Platinum uJehova wanginika ngaguqa kakhulu kulo muhlaba bengangizwa ngavumbethela empilweni sandlethami ngina 6. Oh, he says holy water. Okay guys, speaking of holy water, can I just see the water, just the water, something watering the wave. Faka the wave now. I want to see a lot of waves coming young tall on the comments there. I want to see the waves. I want to see something watering there. Yo. Yeah, Danko Oloetu. It says fry, it says manzi, it says ocean. Everyone, guys, please, let's go. We say the water level. Just go with the water level now. Yeah. I see you, Mfanaka there. Hey, Oma. I see you there, Lungisan. Hey, Seti. Yo. Yolanda Fagamanzi. Yo. Tango Mfanaka there, I see you. Faka manzi bhazi, faka manzi. I wanna see amanzi. Yo, faka manzi. Holy water, faka manzi. Ay, Mfanaka is swimming. Ay. He's swimming in the holy water. It's too much. I came with another one. Yo, Adolf. I see Mfanaka there, black. Yo, Aili. Asiye da Mfanaka asihle. Asiye Makasa, asiye Mfanaka. Let's just say the water level. Lawa man. Okay, before I play it, I'm gonna pray for you guys. Anton. Lawa man zomunike. Holy water man zokutandaza. Man zomdanso. Man zokuqinisa. Man zokuyekele. Lawa man zokunekele. And the food dog legele. Bafethu. Ngiyacela bafethu. Ngiyacela bafethu. Bafethu. Ngiyacela bafethu. Hollywood. Bashaye ngeazulibadu. Banamathele kimo kwethu. Bajave kusedabuka iblue. Kwangithi Hollywood. Nkosi yami yehloko yemvula. Ukhuze nonomvula uyangifuna. Funa, yey. Ngiphethe juice, isani ngemilomo, impilo yipokotho, ushintshe imikhono, sidakwa amathotho, sidakwa nabo talk. Yebo, bodlela i-60 adakwa ngepokotho, kodwa, yey. Ngiphethe juice, isani ngepokotho. Asiye holy water. Faka the holy water level. Say the holy water level right now. Amanzi. I wanna see amanzi da. Amanzi amaningi. No ways, guys. Amanzi amaningi. I wanna see amanzi amaningi. Ngoba ngiyayidedela ke manje ngisadlala inani. Ngiyayidedela manje ngisadlala inani. Yo. Awa manzi okunika. Yeah, let me see a lot of water there. Let me see a lot of hey nemvula danko mfanaka. Danko mfanaka faka nemvula asande. Danko mfanaka Sunday danko sponelo faka manzi. And then we're gonna pray now. We're gonna start praying. Yawa manzi omunite. Holy water manzi okuthandaza. Manzi omdanso. Manzi okuqinisa. Yo! Manzi okunekelela. Yo! Manzi okunike. Oh. Faka manzi from amanzi wena. Welcome to Tanzania. Ihe ingqe.
Amanzi omunike. Holy water manzi okuthandaza. Manzi omdanso. Manzi okuqinisa. Manzi okunikelela. Amanzi okuyekelela. Amanzi okunqabela. And the food talk like a leg. Our man's on the media. Only with the man's who could dance. Man's on dance. Man's on the tennis. Man's on the yagale. Our man's on the yagale. Our man's on the rebel. And the food talk like a leg. In my feet. Ain't you ever fit? In my feet. Ain't you ever fit? Soft life, sunlight, Ayman. Soft life, sunlight, Ayman. Soft life, sunlight, Ayman. Lavanda, soft life, sunlight, Ayman. Lavanda. I'm so fly. If you want to water, tell you boom now. Shy for G, shy for pie. Take a love of another one. I'm coming to you. If you want to water, something at the door. See, Josie, I'm shy. I'm feeling about you. Some is not your fault. Some is not manzi okuthandaza manzi omdanso manzi okuqinisa manzi okunikele amanzi okuyekele amanzi okunqabele and the food okulegele soft life sunlight
I say not yet fast? Not yet. Like this. Not yet. Like this. Not yet. Not yet. Everyone must shout not yet. Right now. I wanna say not yet. Right now, not yet. Like this. Like this. Not yet. Not yet. Tango! Not yet, man. Please. Not yet.
Ubamba sweet, lendela osazi.
Not yet, guys, ne? Not yet. No ngiphethe inja yami. Thobani. Thobani White. It's too much.
Danko.
Thobani White is from KZN. It's too much, guys. He's a brilliant singer. Brilliant singer. Please go and check in on socials. Thobani White. Just write Thobani White. They're on the socials, you'll find him.
Yimloyo. Thobani White. Shout out. Hallelujah. Danko. Amanzi.
Yo, daddy ngakhona ukudima light, dog. The way you light up bright.
Yeah.
Mina ngize ngibhekise ngekho.
Angisho. Ngiyaflasha.
Ngapha kuflasha too much. So what's it?
Yeah. Hey, get disconnected because that.
Yeah, guys, so injalo bafethu. This is Thobani White. We've been working on this EP. So on this song I'm gonna play right now, he's the first guy that's singing. Ivoice yami nayazi angithi, so obviously it's me and him on the song. Kwi EP. It's gonna be my intro. But I won't play it like yonke iziphele because nina guys ngiyanaziyo. Ngiyanazi like kumele ngiyidlale yabo, angifuni ukunikezwa yonke into yabo. So yeah. That's what's happening right now. Danko is thank you. So that's why I need to, guys, let's just write not yet. All of us just say not yet, not yet, not yet. If you love PC, if you love Thobani White, just write not yet. It's not yet season. Yeah. If you wanna know why it's not yet, I'll let you know. So I explain it like that, so that you understand. That's why it's song kasenze in not yet. Not yet. That's my next EP as a Puma and not yet, guys. I'm super excited. Ngayo. Most of you guys. I'm okay, and how are you? Yeah, I'm saying like most of you guys know my style, it's like how do I put the sounds together, and this time around I tried like I went more like I wanted to be like, you know what, Abantabaning, they always try like, you know, like in Nigeria there was this story of like people trying to claim Mama Pian and whatnot. So in this EP there's songs that unite like both style like Afro beats and Amapiano in one. So I'm trying to like Tata country too and like put them together to unite, you see, so we can make like a global sound. Yeah. So Danko, that's why I'm saying let's just write not yet. because your support, guys. Without you, I'm nothing. So let's just share not yet, and let's do this. Danko is thank you. Pala, not yet. Right now.
Not yet.
Right now. Travis Scott. Travis Scott join. Not yet. Pala, not yet. Just Pala, not yet. 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 Let's go. Let's do this.
I'm a moment, I'm a thing I still remember. Even though every year, selling shy, he drag, he complain and asking. Peggy phone in my colors in the morning. Quilla my comments, I'm by the emoji. Talilang along, I'm a phone, he complain and asking. I go where you should not. Put us a likini, Benga Sabela Bagiti, Benga Biwakala Nini. I mean, I'm Fagis Panis Mini Boza. We listen it on charge in the song. I'm just speaking my mind in the song.
Go! Yes,
We listen it on charge in the song. I'm just speaking my mind in the song.
Go!
Travel party for people so parallel. My Chitanya Zilinda. From 24 to 25 piano balegele. Wakupu mnot wakupu matale. The yikin video mudongana stress. The Chitanya Zilinda. From 24 to 25 December below man. Been been cleaning satellites. Analyze who make a young win a stage. No matter when they dash, it go in and then going on a year. I put Boshaga on the despair. Boom, they look at him there. I think put on them in the net.
phela ngathi ngeke ngeze ngidlale yonke. Nginitshenile benicabanga ukuthi ngikhohliwe. Benicabanga ukuthi ngikhohliwe ukuthi ngeke ngidlale yonke.
Hayi yona dlala yonke.
Ngeke ngidlale yonke. Ngeke. Umlilo. Yazi bengizama ukubhekana la. Sengibona ukuthi uzobeka la. Ibale yakhe cable yakho.
Now you're touching it.
Yo. Bese ayikho indi enough mfana. Ngifuna ukudlala enye ingoma. Manje ufuna ukuthi ngidisconnect live. Bese kodwa ngifakile nayo la. But
That's Hollywood man. Sanda.
ngidlale arrangements tabana. Restaurant. I work CMP35.
Yeah.
Ngizibuza imibuzo eminingi. Bye bye guys. Bye.